ang dilim na pala na. Ang dilim na pala dito sa ano.
Iilawan.
Ayan.
Siyempre, si boss yan eh.
Oo. Kasi sa atin, boss. Boss ng wellness yan, ha? Taka. Podcast pa yan.
Hello po. Hawak po namin. Hawak po namin ang anak nyo.
Tawag po namin si Miss Marjorie.
Hawak
Gusto
po
po
namin
namin
siya
ipaalam
ngayon.
sa inyo na hawak po namin ang anak nyo.
Lagi pa kayo
Charing.
nag-usa.
Just lang.
Charing lang po, charing lang
Hi,
po.
DJ Brian. Yes, I'm with the OG.
Hindi.
The
bibigay lang
Omigel.
ako.
Omigel. The OMG. The OG, OMG, Omigel. Miss John
Omigel,
Pedaliana.
Miss
And the OG.
Omigel
The OD. ODT Holiday. What the fuck? Hi, sis.
Alam, ang overdose naman yun.
OG and OD. Oh.
Yes.
Hi everyone! So gusto ko mag-try ng aking mga sisters from season 1 and season 2 and season 3.
We're the Divide Diva.
Yes. With Divide, discarded all,
Divide.
Divide.
away-away na. Charing.
Buksahan na!
Hi everyone! Ayun o. Apakabihirang ano ito, apakabihirang time.
Tama naman.
Kasi syempre, as
sa
a...
podcast. Podcast ba ito?
ang gusto ko lang malaman, bakit ka naka-gold count today?
Ang totoo niya.
Ang usapan magmamall kami. Bakit ka naka-gold count sa mall?
Ang totoo niyan, sabi mo kasi mag-show. Laro ka.
Oh my God!
Uy, alam mo, papaganda mo na talaga, oh.
Salamat. Parang hindi ka naman nagandahan sa akin
Hindi, ang ganda mo.
I fire you.
Uy, ang ganda mo ngayon talaga, oh. Baka kayo mag-jowa, oh.
Salamat po.
Papasa mo ba silang mag-jowa?
Wag, papaship mo ba kami? Ano na naman kayo sa ship-ship nyo?
John D. John D.
Not issue lately. But
Why? Si ano,
Ship.
kami ni Eva. Tapos si Maxi tsaka si Brigading.
Magka-issue kayo nun? Hindi ako kasali dun ha.
Diana, oo.
Hindi ako nag-comment dun ha.
Tapos ngayon may bago sa Station, si Vivory.
Pero masarap si Bibory.
Oo, si Ivory tsaka si Vinyas ang siniship namin.
Dax
ngayon.
kaya yan si
Oh.
Bibory?
Mukhang...
You have to wait for something.
Something
Something
wrong?
wrong.
You have to wait for
Did something
something.
wrong?
Well, we have to speak in English
Didi
because
Wong.
the binge
Didi
queen
Wong.
is here.
Oh, yeah. Oo nga pala.
It's
Mga
something
sis.
Marie.
Mga sis, wait lang ha. Kasama ko na naman ang binge queen
Binge
dito.
queen natin yan.
I know!
Alaga ko
Ikaw,
yan.
sa akin, sila ang nagre-review ng Station.
Oh,
my
oh.
God.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Raja Huyu.
Oo.
Sabi niya.
Akin na mo, Raja.
Raja Huyu.
Gigi Holiday.
Is Titi
So
Happy.
yeah, if you wanna know what happened, call me. I'll give you my Gcash. I'm kidding.
Sino ang nanalo? Ay! Nasa over pa rin ba ang corona?
Ako wala akong alam dyan.
Ako wala rin akong alam.
The winner
Sorry,
is
ang layo.
Precious.
Wala ako.
Oo naman.
The winner is
So, anong masasabi mo sa
Sa?
Reyna? Oh my gosh, congratulations!
Thank you, Reynas.
Binago na?
Actually, it's
Rain with
Reyna.
number 4.
Rainforest.
Reynas.
Rainforest.
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 Pinaulan yung gubat.
Rainforest. Rainforest.
Oo nga pala.
Ang dami ng pangalan nyo.
Rainforest. Hindi, I just wanna thank, syempre, ang World of Wonder.
Nag-text.
Me too.
Yeah,
I wanna thank the
for
World of
giving us the
Wonder.
opportunity again to be seen.
Yes.
Yes,
To be
yes.
reintroduced.
Introduce, yes.
So, we are formed
Yes, form.
as a girl group.
That is
And
a winner.
It's the first. It's the first.
Is it the first?
I think.
So how do you think,
No,
How do
girl
they
group
beat-
from different franchises.
what's Beanie's
Right.
feeling right now?
What, huh?
What do you think Beanie is feeling right now?
They are scared.
They're scared?
They're betrayed.
Patingin
They
muna ng
should be.
scared. Ay, scary nga! Scary nga!
They should be threatened.
Threatened,
Threatened.
yes. Threatened. Basta.
Treat.
There.
Treated.
Scare na lang.
Sweetened na lang.
Four letters lang na.
O yun, gusto namin masama
Wala,
syempre.
ay pala.
We just want to thank World of Wonder for trusting us again. Kasi syempre, ilang season na yung nagdaan. Like,
85.
This is Station season now. So,
It's so surreal.
so yeah. Kasi di ba parang akala natin tapos na yung time natin na makita sa TV. But
Yes.
binigyan tayo ng another chance.
I'm so proud of you girls.
Thank you.
I'm so proud.
Lagi ako nanonood sa kanila. I wanna
Nanonood din ako ng mga OMGs mo.
Yes.
I thank you po.
So
Mag-vlog
good.
ba tayo habang nandito ko?
Yes,
Mag-vlog
ito
ba
na
tayo?
yun. Gag-upload
Actually,
na
ito
lang.
vlogging
Yes.
na to.
Sorry.
Wait. Oh yeah, Binge Queens is, yeah. New episode coming out today, dropping
Yeah.
today.
Not
For
kahapon.
episode 3. Is episode 3 na, no?
Oo,
Episode
episode 3. So I just
Episode
wanna ask, kasi hindi ko pa napanood yung episode 3. Didi, anong nangyari ba sa episode 3?
This is a design challenge.
Okay. Who are you rooting
That's where I won!
Oo, design challenge ka ba nanalo? Oh my God.
Galing ko dyan eh.
Ako, nabottom ako dun.
Charing.
How about you?
Design, I'm high.
Hi!
Hi.
Shit.
Wait, how do you... Sino ba nanalo sa design challenge sa season mo?
Oh shit. Perushka?
Ayan.
Maro naman kasi ka kayo.
Yeah, it was Perushka.
Dahil sa happy birthday.
She had a birthday party theme.
Oh yeah.
It was explosive and the judges
Yeah.
really loved it.
Correct. So what sino ang favorite mo sa episode 3?
Oo nga. Ay!
Oh, I actually
Alam
love.
sa station.
I remember
Station.
liking Kitty Space's outfit.
Really?
With
The
the
blue one?
circle on it.
Yeah,
Kitty
it's kind of
Space with the
unique,
circle.
no?
It's different. It's different.
Yeah.
I mean, the
Among-
Filipino queens, all polished, beautiful. Kasi
Yeah.
parang it's almost
Same
the same.
silhouette.
Parang same silhouette, same designer yung nangyari.
Wala,
Yeah,
sorry.
Pageant gown.
Yeah, kasi it's
train.
same materials.
Yes.
Same materials na ano yan.
Tapos lahat sila may train na very pageant. Which is okay
Oh,
kasi
yeah, yeah.
pageantry very big sa Philippines.
So, do you agree with the result?
But
na-
who won? The winner?
That was-
Yeah, my pick was Vinyas.
And
And something wrong.
And something.
Wala something
Wala,
wrong.
no, no. Oh!
Something out na siya.
Something out?
Something out.
I think that's something right. sorry. I love something wrong. I love something wrong.
Okay,
And then-
so do you agree with the result? Kitty Space and
Yeah, how do
Venus
you
Deluxe lip sync for the win, right?
Uh-huh,
For the
uh-huh,
legacy.
uh-huh,
So do you agree with that?
The result?
Yeah.
Like Vinyas won? Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
In the top 2?
Alam mo yung mga,
Atsit ka, akala mo Binge queen ka pa. Sige, dapat matapang ka. Binge queen ka. Sige, akala mo.
Nagpo-po ka
Masay
dyan,
ka, gago.
I think they all did well. They were all wonderful.
They
They
are
looked
wonderful.
beautiful.
Yes.
And I thank you.
Parang hindi yan yung
Mamaya
sinabi
meron
niya
tayong interview
kanina.
mamaya. May special guest tayo sa likod. ha?
Yes.
Okay. So ano daw sagot?
Yes.
She think everyone's beautiful.
I think everyone was beautiful and gave their best.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you were the judge on that episode,
Will you judge them?
will you judge them or why not? Why not?
Mas malala ka pa kay Onjaina eh. Nakakaloka.
So who are you rooting for that episode?
Vinyas.
What's gonna be your top 2? Aside from Venus, of course.
Brigading.
Oh, forgetting.
No, kasi-
Why?
Actually, when we were deliberating kami ni Onjaina.
Yeah.
So I said, I think Vinyas and Vinyas Brigading did exceptionally well. And then I also like Kitty Space, Tapos sabi ni Onjaina sa akin, oh, I think I see where this is going.
Oh.
What do you mean? Oh, like, because they're your daughters. No, they're very talented,
Oh.
regardless if they're my daughters or not.
So you're not being
It doesn't
biased.
matter.
You're not being biased because they're daughters.
I try not to be,
But you can't help.
but I can't help because they're really good.
And you're
putting words in my.
and you're their mama. And you're their mom.
And I'm the. You
Don't
know,
worry, we're not gonna
Proud
edit it this
stage.
time.
Yeah, proud.
Charing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just can't help it. But like, you expect the best from them, and they really do their best.
Yes,
Actually, I'm so proud of them. To be honest, I'm so proud of my sister.
Yeah. So like,
Yes, me too.
they did not fail me with this design challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
And in fairness, to be fair din naman, ang ganda kasi ng challenge, hindi na siya sewing challenge, it's
Design
challenge.
talaga.
So you really have to,
Oh, you don't. You
Ganito
know how
hot
to
glue.
design, how to hot glue
Oh,
stuff.
so
You're
if you're
not
being-
gonna judge the hot glue anymore.
Yeah, and if you're wise enough, meron ka ng mga plain corset and ano mo yan,
And
silhouette mo.
The reason too na I love Venus strategy here kasi siya lang yung iba yung kulay. Hindi siya yung
True.
makulay.
Oh my God.
Deads lang.
Even the photo shoot, no? Yung mukha siyang angel. Mukha siyang
demonyo naman siya minsan eh.
Yung yung babasaging manika. Ano ba yun?
babasaging manika?
Oo.
Ano? China?
China?
Ano to? What are we talking
China
about?
Yung ceramic na ano?
Oo, yung photo shoot ni Venus napakaganda.
With this outfit?
Yung para siyang angel.
Tapos ang ganda sa
Mukha
tulo
siyang
nagtaga din
painting.
siya.
Mukha siyang
Renaissance.
ko siyang paint. Yun, Renaissance.
Oh, lahat yan binigay namin binyas. Baka naman ha.
Oo, pa-Gcash ka naman dyan.
Charing, charing.
Ipapabili mo na pasalubong yun. Dami tayong manang win na.
Dalawa na yung win mo.
Oo.
Minamaximo ako,
so, going to our next guest.
Okay, who's the next guest? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I believe she's really famous.
You believe?
Yeah, and she's really pretty
Yeah.
and talented.
What? We're done with me. What are you talking about?
Okay,
Ay.
and she has her own empire.
Empire, yes.
Yes, and a podcast.
And
also.
a very best
And
podcast.
she is very famous.
You don't say you believe. She is.
She is.
She is that girl.
She is.
She ate.
She's it.
Yeah, she.
She's eight.
She ate.
She's a mother.
She
She's
devoured.
A father.
Ibang
La 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 siya. La 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 la. Tae! Sabi ni Mac, oh, tae daw. Tae ka daw, te. Tae
Wala,
ka daw.
papansin.
Ano sabi mo, girl?
Hindi naman.
Utot lang. Utot pa lang. Tae daw, sabi ni mo, kulukutoy daw.
Wala, papansin ka. Gusto mo buhayin ko si Mama Jiggly sa'yo.
Lalo ka tae ka, wala ka naman sa drag race, mas tae ka. Pweh! Puro ka abroad. Pweh!
Ina mo.
Tae ka, Taylor ka lang. Ulul. Pweh!
Taylor Shish.
Taylor. Ulul!
Wait, are we talking about Taylor Swift?
Shish. Taylor Shish is
Si
there.
Taylor
Ay, andyan siya.
Swift. Andyan siya.
Hi, Taylor.
Ay, ayaw niya. Ayaw ng alaga ko. Wala. Namatayan kami ng ilaw.
Sabi ka, tomboy
Brown
ka.
out.
Sabi ka, tomboy Philippines ka daw. Tomboy Philippines ka daw, sis.
Tomboy ba ako?
Hindi ka na rin sure.
Hindi rin ako sure minsan eh.
Wala yung ilaw natin kasi ako sabi natin next guest.
Yes,
natin.
our next guest.
I believe this guest is
She
really,
is that girl.
really smart.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
she has her own podcast.
Yes, yes.
She interviewed so many famous personalities,
Yes,
including
yes.
me.
Kaya, nag-aangat lang pala sa sarili niya.
Oh, I'm not lying.
Yes,
She
yes,
already
yes, yes.
interviewed
She
me.
did.
She got interviewed by her.
And you know who's next?
Who?
Me? Ay,
And if you got interviewed by her, it means you're famous and
Yes,
really
yes.
that.
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
Okay,
The-
without
the-
further ado,
That's all about Cam.
Miss
Hi, Siam!
at Sawadi ka.
Sorry.
Miss Janet Javier.
Iba pala.
Janet naman tayo.
Iba pala.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to, this girl is very close to me.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
Napakadami nung
Alam mo, pagod na siya sa backstage.
Like,
Dito na lang
I'm
sa backstage
so
yung alaga
proud
natin.
to call her one of my best friends
Yes, yes.
and almost my sister.
Yes,
Because
yes.
she's really nice. Without further ado, I would like to introduce you
Kanina pa yan ah.
one of the nicest person I know.
Yes,
Like-
kamay pa lang yan. Kamay pa lang yan.
May kamay na. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, you know what? This girl is very, very nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And very intelligent.
Yes.
And very pretty.
Maybe she's the real AI.
So I think we have to introduce her now.
Yes.
So without further ado, my God, I'm so lucky.
Oh my gosh, it's low back.
Okay. So we have to go, everyone. Our interview will be
Right.
right back. Charing. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Didi Holiday.
Siya ulit.
Ano naman?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Danny Barreto.
Yes!
Nakatago. Nakatago doon sa gitna. I-deliver namin siya ngayon sa San Francisco. Hi, Miss Danny. How are you? Asan ka pa dito kita? How are you?
Mukha talaga ako nakidnap.
Ayan.
Tignan nyo.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you to find out?
I'm still finding out.
Okay, kailangan mo masagot yung kasi you're used to be interviewing everyone. Like, you're
Yeah.
you're that.
And the podcast won an award too.
Yeah, awards, yes. In TikTok.
Two awards.
okay.
Awards, sorry,
So I
sorry.
believe there's no
2
question that
awards.
you can answer.
And there's no answer that
my-
you can question.
So my question is, how?
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 What?
Yeah, that's
How
your
to do
question.
podcast.
How to do podcast? Well, I don't know. Depends on the genre. You have to
Oh, genre.
be able to impart something, teach
Ah.
something, or
Okay.
entertain.
Okay, I just want to ask, John, what is the meaning of genre?
Ano yan? Lady Gaga. Ayoko na.
Hindi ganyan pag sumigaw ka ng LBDC. Di ka ba to? Genre!
Yung may podcast. Oo nga.
Sino? Walang kalatoy na
Kalo kayo.
Genre! Mag-jeans queens tayo, jeans queens. Jeans. Kailangan mo ng jeans queens.
Alaga.
Jeans queens. Oh. Anyway, Danny, we're not over yet. We're not over yet. Okay. So, any piece of advice that you
Oh,
wanna...
blink twice daw if you need help.
Nag-blink ka ng try.
She's okay, she's okay.
It's okay. Uy, wag kayo pala desisyon dyan. Pakita nyo. Uy, wag kayo pala desisyon. Anong gina? Tingin mo sa mga. You think I'm a liar?
Mom, help mom!
Bakit may hashtag free Danny?
Uy, wala ka doon. Uy, hashtag hello Julia Barreto? Calling Julia Barreto. Ba't may nagtatag kay Julia? Uy, huwag niyo tag si Julia.
Wala akong ginagawa sa
Uy, huwag niyo itatag si Julia. Uy, wala. Ay, huwag niyo itatag si Marjorie. Uy.
Hindi po. Friends po talaga kami. Kasi parang may laser ako nakikita dito.
Gaga na dito. Oh, I just wanna ask, Danny, yeah. Gusto na ako ng sabi.
What's
Why?
the most heaviest topic did you guys?
Heaviest luggage that you carry.
Pass, ka muna dyan. Ano tayo?
Dada, who was the
The first president of the Philippines.
who's the toughest person to be interviewed among all the guests that you had in?
What's the question?
Who's the most
Toughest.
no, most
Most the best?
most toughest. And did you have a hard time?
Basta yung
interviewing?
medyo
Kaya huwag na yun,
nakakatakot.
medyo ano yun, oh. Sino ang pinaka-favorite mo na interview sa podcast?
sa
Favorite? Top
Kasi may
3 or
ganito, may
1?
tali mo ka talaga siyang
Sorry.
Ayan.
O tinatag
What's
na
your-
yung pamilya ko.
Hoy, Julia, huwag ka manonood. Ayan, hashtag free Danny. Hoy! Hoy, tangin na nyo. Baka ma-block tong yung live ko. Ayun kayo, ha.
Oh, hindi na. Promise, okay lang siya.
Wala, may iba pa. Wait lang, iba yung tinatag din ng tsaka. Huwag yan. Hoy, huwag yan. Pangit naman tinatag nyo. Baka umiyak yan.
Okay, so
check.
Let's go back to the topic.
Oh, let's go. Who was your favorite person
Yeah.
that yung
Yeah,
interview
that
mo?
you talk.
Yun.
Madami. Well, first I was able to interview you guys.
Ah, the Divine Divas.
Yes. The friends that eventually became my,
Ah.
bestie ko na to eh. Mahal ko talaga to eh.
Pawis ako.
My mom.
Oh.
Marami ako na-discover sa mom ko dun sa conversation na yun na hindi ko alam about her.
I think that's the best thing that you
Ito
can
yung
do.
best.
Init. Init, pari.
Ito yung best. Itsura niya.
Huwag ka mahal, baka makita ko misis ko. Hindi niya alam.
Yan yung best. Oh my God. So the Divine Divas, your mom, and who else?
Probably... Wala, hindi ko rin alam. Dami? Yung dating coach. Dating coach.
Ay, gusto ko nga yun. Ang dami ko na dito.
Akang dating yun eh.
Oh, may dating coach ba? Hindi ko alam
Meron,
ha.
may ganun.
Isa, parang yun yung mga... Yan ba yung
Parang pwede mo
movie
kisalang
ngayon
dyan,
ni
Miss
ano?
Dan.
No, sige.
Ay, isasalan niya ako.
Shoot na tayo. Dito na tayo.
Ito na yun, ito na yun.
Isasalang.
Oh my gosh, thank you, Miss Danny, for having me here. Ito
So
na
what's the
po.
question?
Paki-screen record po.
Skin record podcast na to. Pakikredit ako ha.
Ano ba ganda pwede itanong dito?
Ano?
Are you single?
How is your heart? Oh, how is your heart?
Wait, my heart was tricked. my heart,
Oy, podcast na dapat honest.
my heart,
Oh.
my heart was tricked.
Check by whom?
Sir.
Ay,
How do
hindi
you
ako-
feel now?
hindi
Do you
ako-
feel anger?
Do you feel any pressure
Do
right
you feel any
now?
pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure.
Confident, alright.
I feel like bigyan na naman tayo ng mali. No, I
feel?
felt happy at the same time, but of course I'm sad. But happy because at least
Like happy, relieved kind of.
yeah, relieved because I found out
Baka nakikita.
like I found out na agad-agad. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Basta lang yung
That's
kagad-agad.
that's very important.
Yeah. Kaysa naman magpabot pa kayo ng matagal, di ba? May ba't ang lapit? Ang lapit mo nga niya.
What have you learned
Yan.
I've learned
from that relationship?
I've learned to not trust
Too much.
your emotions again. Charing. Matagal ba? Malaging sinasabi yan, di ba?
Na ano?
Na, I will never trust anyone again. Pero, I always... Bakit may background music? Charing. Parang hindi si Leia sa longga yun.
May reflection.
Pero I really learned na parang when you fall in love,
Mhm.
it's getting hurt is part of it. So
always fun.
like you can't
You can
just,
get to love and not to be hurt.
yes, because it's not perfect. But at least you always have to think na kahit masaktan ka ganyan, kahit mag-break kayo ganyan, you will always have fun memories and you will learn something from it and you will become new because of those.
Aww.
Are you ready to love again? Are you ready to love again?
Wag muna.
Okay, may follow-up question. Are you seeing
Question
someone?
loaded.
Are you seeing
That's a loaded
someone as of
question.
now?
Ang bilis.
Because I've seen your stories. God, nasa drag pants ka din.
My stories are for
Who's that guy na naka-post sa socials?
gaga kasi close friends yun.
Kaya nasa drag pants ka?
Sa drag pants. Oh, that. Okay.
Ay, iba pa ba yun? Iba pa pala yun. Sorry.
What is drag?
Sorry.
Iba ba yun? Charing, hindi. Oh, that guy is really...
What is drag fans?
He's really nice. He's
Sa account, may
Yeah.
isang account na nag-update sa atin lahat.
Oh.
Drag Pants Philippines.
Drag pants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
He got your post and she...
Kasi nga si Marina.
Oh, that's why. Wait, but can I just say, ang cute mo na.
Really. Salamat.
Like, nawala na nag-interview sa'yo.
Salamat.
Nawala na.
May business
Ito
siya.
na lang,
Mukhang may ginagawa. Tumatay.
What's your message?
Tumatay si Daddy sa likod.
Yun po, sarili mo. Sinisira niya
Char
yung
lang.
image ko.
Char lang.
Hindi talaga pasok
Char
sa
lang.
branding niya.
Char lang.
Okay, wait. Ano na yung question sa'yo? What's your message?
What's my message? My message
Two.
to who? To my ex?
To the guy that broke your heart.
To the guy that broke. Wherever you are, stay there. Don't you ever come here.
May galit.
Just stay there.
May laser ako.
Papalikiran na kita.
May
What's
laser.
your message to yourself?
Ah!
Message to myself.
Message to
Mama Pao, well, pare. Uy, baka makita ng misis ko. Yeah, my message
That
to
is
myself
so silly.
is one day,
Isang araw.
nakita ko si ate mo. one day,
Nakita mo.
Nakakainis. Ayop.
One day nakita ko tatay mo. Blue.
one day, you will find someone.
Walang sense. Ayop.
One day you will find someone that you will trust and your trauma will be gone because he will try to heal you. So just be patient and don't rush things and stop using Grindr.
Hello, kakapindot mo lang kanina.
Hindi ko nga mapindot kasi gawa ko pang flashlight, diba?
Okay, ako I have a question.
I have an answer.
Gaano ba ka-importante? Priority mo makahanap agad?
Ay,
Anyways. Sige, parang sabi mo diba, one day you'll find someone. So, finding someone ba is really important? Parang is it your
No.
priority or are you looking forward to it?
my priority right now is like healing and
Oh, the healing. Oh, ako mata niya si Willie Ray Villame.
ano?
The healing. The healing. The healing mo, madagwirin mo sa ba? The healing. The healing.
Ano ba tong podcast na to? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Yan, gusto ko lang malaman kasi Kumbaga parang ikaw ba, do you see yourself, parang ang purpose ba ng life mo is to have someone?
No.
Do you
What
see
think?
yourself 5 years from
now with someone?
No. I don't really see myself with someone else.
I saw you with someone else.
Hala! That's not me!
I saw you
Close
with
your
someone
eyes.
else.
No, no.
Did you saw him with someone else? You saw him, right?
Yeah. I'm with Didi right now.
What?
I'm with Miss Marge.
Marge. Hindi si Marge dami yan.
Promise hindi namin siya.
Mom!
Promise hindi namin siya kinikidnap. Kami bahala sa'yo.
Nakailang blink twice na siya.
Hi, Martin Chua. Oh my God. Yung Sparks Cup crush ko. Hello, Martin Chua.
May crush ako sa inyo, taga-rampa.
Sino?
Si Christian.
Sino yun?
Vinyas.
Vinyas? Si Vinyas?
Pag nakadrag!
Oo.
pag naka-out of drag siya.
Sino ba si Christian? Christian.
Vinyas.
Hindi siya. Kayo naman.
Christian? May Christian ba sa rampa?
Baka hindi yun yung pangalan niya?
Oo, hindi nga.
Sorry, they gave you a fake name.
Oh, lagi siya nasa backstage daw. Wala, hindi siya taga doon.
Puta
Alam mo
ka.
ito.
OMG.
Oh my God.
Ay,
Story
alam niyo
nga
ba,
doon. May
sa
story
lahat
doon na
ng
meron.
nakikita mo, sa ilang milyong tao nakikita mo
You have a-
everyday,
you have a
isa doon
house
hindi
ghost
buhay.
doon.
Totoo.
Oh, di si Christian yun.
Ay, sabay ko!
Simulan na natin.
Si Christian.
Ah,
Si Christian Rick daw. Wala ko kilalang Christian sa
Baliw
amin.
lang sa
Baka Riz. Basta
Ano?
may Chris.
Chris.
Ganyan, basta.
Chris.
Bala kayo.
Ay, bala na.
Oo,
Basta,
pero yeah.
Pag bumalik ka, baka hanapin mo, baka mamaya magtiri ka ng kandila, makita mo ulit siya.
Gago, totoo siya. May Instagram nga eh.
Patigil?
Ay, wag na.
Anyway, ayan, Miss Danny, meron ko ba bang tanong? Tsura.
Promise, okay lang siya.
Ano ba? I-position ka dito para talaga ako.
Tapos
Uy, wala-
flashlight.
Wala siyang tali sa kamay,
flashlight
ha? Sa
daw.
paa lang meron. Ayan, oh.
Flashlight,
Is there
flashlight
anything that you want to say?
I need help.
Tawagan po yung kapatid ko.
Hindi.
Wala. Ito na. Last.
Last.
What is your message to John 5 years from now? Anong masahe mo sa kanya? Siyempre iba na yung heart mo. Baka nga may love, may ano ka na nun, may jowa ka na nun, or wala.
Tsura.
Do you think John will be happier in 5 years? Will John feel more accomplished in love, or what? Still healing?
Do you believe in life
After love.
Yes.
And then, in afterlife.
After love.
So what's your
after
message?
love,
Hello, John.
after love.
My message to you, John, deserve. O kasi, kung ano man yung meron ka dyan, ngayon, enjoyin mo yan. Kasi, di ka sure. Baka
Mali mo
may
naman nawala yun kasi may dadating.
Dumating na. Diba?
Mali mo, mas gwapo, mas mayaman.
Mas gwapo talaga.
O, diba?
Laki nga ng katawan.
Mas
eh.
malaki.
malaki.
Mas laki ba?
Mas malaking bahay. Kayo
Yes, magaling magtrabaho.
naman, mas magaling magtrabaho.
Maglinis.
Magaling talaga. Ay, hindi kasi ano siya, very neat
Magaling
siya
mag-vacuum,
sa
magaling mag-vacuum.
Baka ay bongga siya mag-vacuum kasi yun yung favorite niya
Oh
magba-vacuum. ng
my
ano.
God.
Ayaw niya kasi ng madumi. So,
Oh my
gusto niya,
God.
nagba-vacuum siya.
Oh my God.
Perfect.
I love
Perfect.
it.
Ganda mo.
At magaling kumain.
Ay, shit.
Kasi nga, chef ako eh.
Ah.
Yes.
So, ang tanong ko, Mama Janet, magaling bang kumain?
Damay-damay. Now, let's talk to our Uber driver. Ay, no, just kidding. No.
Just kidding. I'm sorry.
Why not focus driving?
Anyway, so ayun pa, we have to go na, and that's all
We do?
for today.
Oh.
Yes.
Because, ayun, malapit tayong dumating, girl. Naubos natin yung 1 hour.
Oo nga. Pa-promote lang ulit.
Ay!
Village Queens. Yes, new episode drops today on Wild Presents Plus and YouTube.
Yes!
Thank you.
And me, if you guys wanna know who's my new jowa, watch my new vlog on Sunday.
Oh my God, man.
Sunday.
Oh! So meron ka ng
New
bagong
jowa
jowa. Kanina
dropping
sabi mo
on
wala pa.
Sunday. Ay.
Kanina you're finding someone. Ngayon
Dating
medyo...
nga, dating. alam mo na nandito ako, sabi sa akin ng mga,
May Sunday na agad.
iba pala ang dating sa ano,
Sa jowa na.
sa, kasi sa akin, para sa akin ang dating
Pag nagdidikit,
is like
jowa mo
getting to
na.
know each other.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Jowa, ano na talaga?
So,
Yung dating dito, parang jowa na agad.
so
ganon.
feeling niya jowa yung pag-jowa na kayo.
Oo, yung parang, ay, tigil na natin.
Ganda
yung
mo
ganun.
talaga.
Ang ganda naman talaga.
Ganda talaga
Tignan mo,
ng kaibigan.
oo.
Mainit lang talaga dito eh.
Oo, saan ka?
Init lang
Anyway,
dito,
yun.
pare.
Vlog daw ni John sa Saturday.
Sunday.
Sa Sunday. Ngayon.
Philippines time, yeah.
Ah, Miss Danny, may papromote ka ba? Bukod sa paglaya mo dito.
Kapit na ako makalaya.
Hashtag free Danny.
Bye, Wellness Whispers.
Oh, wellness with. Ako ipapromote ko naman si Mama Janet, Lucky CJ.
Yes.
So magkakaroon ng bagong song si Mama Janet.
Ano na?
Uwi ka na, Tutoy. Uwi ka na, Tutoy. Andito na si Nini. Ayan. Ako naman ipapromote ko syempre Station Royal. Wala pa naman ako, di pa nakikita dyan. Pero makikita niyo ako soon. And syempre ang aming kantas, ang Reyna. Lalabas po sa September 5.
Hindi ba yan yun?
Yun na po ang team song ng Station Royal. Yun pa magiging team song ng Station Royal.
Ay, totoo!
Yes! And
perfect.
hindi lang po siya isa, hindi lang po yung dalawa, hindi lang po
85.
Maraming songs pong lalabas from the Reyna.
Oo.
Reynas, yan.
And stop hating that cat.
Ay,
Oo. Ay, na hindi pa rin kinaka-move on kay Kat Kat. Boy, kami nga naka-move on na.
Ay.
Hindi ako kasi mag-ex kami, so naka-move on na ako.
Okay.
So please
Let's-
stop the hate.
Ikaw, anong ini-message mo? Sa
Stop
saswang
the
natin.
hate.
Sa saswang natin si Katkat.
Uy, na-miss in fairness, na-miss ko si Kat Kat.
Oo.
Yes.
Uy, stop the hate ang...
Nag-send yun ng ano niya, birthday
Oo.
message sa alaga ko.
Oo.
Oo.
Tigilan nyo
Video
na yung
message.
pagbabash ha. I-support nyo yung song namin, poke nyo dyan, hindi kayo matigil ha.
Oo.
Anyway, ayun, Station Royal, and syempre, every
Iba
Wednesday.
talaga kapag Pinay.
Correct,
Yes.
every Wednesday po.
Fly high, Pinay.
Oo. Every Wednesday po, nasa Rampa kami. Meron
Yes.
kaming viewing party.
Yes, every Wednesday po yan kami.
See you all soon. Love you and good night.
Bakit hindi wala ako dyan sa viewing party?
Punta ka, yan. Punta ka na ka dyan.
Init eh.
Bye-bye guys!
Ano nangyari?